Hi guys, let's check for some blueberries. It's already end week of September. We will see if there's still. Wala ng blueberries. Oh, bus na. Madaming lingonberry. Pero ang target ko is blueberry. So let's try in other area. Dito guys, may mga natira din. Let's get some. Pero yung iba dry na siya eh. Pili lang ang ating makukuha. Tapos na siya